Explícame, my guy, pues pa' hoy. We gotta move quicker, man.
Explíqueme, my guy. Esto es pa' hoy. Yo, que se explíqueme esto es pa' hoy, my guy. Y que dime a ver, my guys.
We got the Rich Mobile getting a wash right now. First car wash. Do the rims last, bro. That yeah, do the rims last. That way, it doesn't grab the dirty from there and you put it on the paint. Or. And teaching my son how to wash his car, man. You gotta have the car clean, man. Now I'm saying the last bit of soap and you can just real quick with the thing.
Oh, with
Yeah.
the rims?
Yeah, just finish it, yeah, for the rims. Cause they're not dirty, but just to wipe it down a little bit. Rich Mobile 2.0. Part 2. Learning how to drive state. We're about to go to Jersey and get.
Today, the name of the day. You know what it is? How to master your clutch.
How to master
You heard that?
clutch.
Master your clutch.
Shit. Top of the morning. Yo, he dead ass be making that shit look mad easy, bro. Like, what?
Super easy.
For the pros, yeah. No 5 seconds today, you heard?
Word.
We need 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, man. You not ready? Get the pa' hoy. Yeah, there we go, see? That one, like, it was right over 1. Dale, Tulum. There you go, see? Like that. Man, day 2, man. Day 2. We just need to get this start down, man. Once we got that start, we're good to go.
So, like 2000 RPM, right? Like, hear it, whoop, and then like, they're gonna go close slowly.
So keep it there?
Try to keep it fast. Like, try to do that fast.
Alright, I gotta go. Let me see where is it. Right there.
Clutch.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
And then keep go. There you go. That was clean. Yeah, that's good. That's the hardest steering wheel in the world, you heard?
Now, try to do that a little faster. Try to do that a little faster now. Acceleration, fam.
There we go. See? It's right away, take shit. Yeah, that one was like clean for real.
Clean. Not straight, not straight, not straight.
No?
Not straight. This shit hard as fuck, bro.
God damn.
That shit. Dale, Tulum. Oh, I just noticed it's like mad water over there. What the hell?
Yeah, you didn't know that?
No?
There's a thing you to go over there. Over there. Right
Oh. got a whole watershed. You high, jump in there, yeah?
Straight?
Yo, fuck off me.
You gonna record
It's straight?
I think about to record the mosquito about to bite the nigga's neck.
Yo, ducks, go home, you heard? There you go, now you got it. Yeah, that's nice shifting right there.
Yeah. You need to master that clutch.
You're getting better though, OD.
Oh yeah.
OD.
When you watch somebody do it, it's that man easy, bro.
You serious?
They gonna fuck up that clutch, boy.
That shit, right?
What they gonna that clutch, I did. I got my little nigga driving, dog.
What?
Fuck you mean? We outside, nigga.
You know?
We
You wanna
outside.
know where
This is a turtle.
You wanna know where we at? We outside.
We outside, nigga.
Practicando. This is a spot for practicing, bro. Oh, que la mujer, por eso era que casi choca la mujer, loco. She's practicing right there. Money, man. How you feel, man?
I feel good, man. You know what I'm saying, man? I got the clutch down, but not perfect, but I got it down.
Yeah, we
you
working,
know.
yeah.
got-
How you do?
You guys 85 today.
85 passing grade,
Oh,
though.
deep
Ain't gonna
passing
lie.
grade. Yeah,
You need another 15 though.
that's a B plus right there.
You already
yeah?
know.
Oh yeah. So yeah, guys, we came back out here, man. Day 2, practicing how to learn stick. We did good though. We learning, man. So, and I'm taking you guys with me on this journey. You already know what it do. So if you guys didn't check out the other video, the first one we did, make sure you guys do that. Drop a like on that video and watch
Drop a
this
like,
one
nigga,
too.
drop a like.
Comment, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
But wait, there's more.
We always gotta end the night on a banger, you heard? Always gotta end the night on a banger. Yeah, nigga. That's how we be moving, yeah? That's how we end the night.
That's your M part too.